24 hours upon receipt of the copy of the order to insert the name of applicants into the register of chiefs. And we all if you haven't done it, of course, we consulted me, I invited our council, and we all agreed that if you fail to do it, then you will face contempt charges. So we wish to inform all members that this is what we did yesterday. We did it because God really compelled us to do so. Sampa Gyafla, Okay. So the order was to enter the name in the National Register of Chiefs within 24 hours.
Of course, clearly, and the Court Act is 1993.
Okay.
All right. So the Court Act is 1993. So it tells us issues affecting the course of chieftaincy.
Okay.
It is if issues affecting the course of chieftaincy. All right. Sebi.
Okay.
Open so aka sa asem ne dia. Na ampa to lesson Gyafla na Asantehemaa.
Okay.
And here court no court mu shemu kina. E mo bia gitum sa ampa to lesson Gyafla na Asantehemaa. Enti anamutu na Dormaahene tu no. Na sebi mfutu na na otugu amanfo enim. It was a great feeling.
Okay.
And then it was overwhelming.
Okay.
But of course it's important that it was out of pain. As I said, time we see no na they have burned all our houses.
Oh.
But of course the fact that you have burned our houses, no, the history and the records still remain. Wadaroma, to lesson Gyafla, Ninyama, Omu shops, Oma Shishinina, Omu Finyama Shishinia. But we are not perturbed, of course. If you are fighting for something that is right for you, this is the way people will attack you.
If you do say
now, I think more than 2, more than 3, 4, 5. Of course, with cars banned,
okay.
Oma Shishi cars. So Mama should fire him. You should fire him and fire the district executive. And I'm saying the member of parliament, I'm telling you, you call it, you are part of the problem. And I'll deal with you. The member of parliament of German,
the law will
German off. Oh no, the law will deal with him. I'll deal with him. Of course, the country will deal with him. We are talking about the law.
Okay.
Nobody's coward. Okay. And you ensure the writing is done.
What's the name?
German Honorable Frederick.
Frederick. Okay. Frederick.
Me Chanton is said they are banned. Or your member of parliament. Okay. Or man, they destroy our property. You member of parliament. Have you visited our family? Baba the district executive, oh, come on. You don't have to come there. You have to come and show the people that indeed, regional minister Rabana, nobody has come there. We will defend ourselves. No, we have no condemning. Wow. And that is why we say they are part of the problem. Okay. And we will defend ourselves.
Okay. I was young man who Kwaba, by Grace TV, Ghana, SO, GH. I was young Mr. said, any day I will be channel, so subscribe to the channel, nothing. A share my preference in the beach. I'm so very sure. In him say, Lansaya, and the Butu just say, Sampa mining, and Sampa Gyafla out also in the Gazette, I read here, Yamia Dom, National House of Chiefs, Ajia to my BBA Coso as we do quite. That was here, Yababi Dinko car. Sabruno moved here, so Sampa, Bino, Yanioma, and Sanfata, a hard drain. They be Dinko, 1 year Busa Sampa, 1 7. In Chimunanka Sandy say, at this year Busia was Sampa, Sabia Yamia Doma, and Sampa Gyafla, Gazette and BBA Quanaquan, Diana or Moka, Diana Mon. And at this year, no mind able to the Bay, we didn't know how be a coso or somebody to be chat. Amasunji, Abaya, at this year, no, if you are saying, you are coming home, not yet night home, I see, I'm more Macaba, then to was and drink. I was that's past what kind of home, now you're dying about Mamma, I had this rent here, then to was between and command Bibia and Coso as we do quite. So, yeah, upon Bocordia,
Wadaroma.
What the master now, what down with the actual
Wadaroma, I'm saying from my mass.
Okay.
And Wadaroma, Brashimo, Sampa.
Okay.
And if Sampa to let some Gyafla, no fashion in me.
Oh, okay.
And so I am here as a nephew of Tulesa Gyafla.
Okay.
By the authority of my blood lineage.
Okay. As well as the Shabrantia or Sampa.
Wadaroma.
Okay. When you are Nyamia Dum, no Sampa Gyafla to me, Sampa mine, the Gazette no. Bibia akoswa so die kwan so a na no ya wada na yehobi National House of Chiefs they are two dwa sisi ya de Sampa mine na Sampa Gyafla e dia contract e mo che National Register of Chiefs mo. Many can kura musa. There be any mu di hu nkomo. Yes ya kwa bibi ho House of Chiefs e ho no be free aba. Yes ya ma you anasem ye mfa ma binum se mbebire. Bonto fa chere e ba ne say na finally and Sampa Gyafla Gazette no it's me good.
Of course, it is important probably we take this opportunity.
Okay.
All right, with a great respect and then to thank the president of the Asantehene Nation for his effort and I'm sure 2 years in no idea ama abedunisha.
Okay.
I'm just me by nyane be pin ni wadaroma be pin nim no and I'm sure be effort abi 2 years. He can't send me na bomu e ma no credit. Okay. No credit no sebi or the 2 years say or the 2. Okay. Or the 2 years no amanfo bi fi se omobonje so. Of course, all of us are the creatures of we are creatures of the Constitution. Okay. As once we belong to the Constitution, and nobody is above the laws of this country. Okay. The matter was supposed to be taken to the court. We went to the court. Okay. And ye call court no, eka eshemu kinasha ampa Asanteman wo to me. Okay. And now to me Asanteman wono, ye waka no waka. And so that was the end of the matter. And I call National House of Chief and to let some of from Gazette. So it tells you Sampa. Sebi se onye di se kronkron na nka nya se onye di se kronkron na nka nya de asebi wadaroma Ghana mra ebeden ebeshem kina Asanteman beshem kina ansa na sebi Ghana mra beshem kina na Asanteman adikan shem kina what you say minia wadaroma enti ne America no sa na asi and today ne e ka no to let some of the flow ne Sampa hene wadaroma.
Wow. And see, after yemra nkomo na ye die ne so. Na me bisa say, edum say Sampa ansensemi afe ene abosome enkunumunye na omahene ebe so ache yewura. E wo menhia ya na akasa the Gazette. Ebe free bono Regional House of Chiefs sunyane aba National Kumasi. Debia na akoye boachi bidi. Finally ban say na wo ma na yiri mu jimu.
So clearly one say it's important that we take this opportunity. Now I can't share the friends of the Ghanaian people and say be nyina okay. There was an impression being created by Dormaahene that to me, obey me. I said, I can't be share be intimacy. Okay. And Sebi or Tushana Mutun, Dada, Dintro, or Daroma. And Chenny Pabbre, say as long as I remain the Bürning Regional House of Chief. But meanwhile, Sebi, Unisha to me no. Until back and forth, now Beso be dear to no, the nurse and says a court. Okay. Now Sebi, Yako catch a court Sampa. Eba manye ni amamre mu a okay near ese fata near Asanteman ese ya Asanteman ye near say here and say your friends be as president administrative processes. Okay. Administrative processes here sebi ade say I say sebi obi a aban appointed say sebi your adwuma na on person obeye and it's on person obeye dia we have to go to court and compel it to do. So we did not go to the court in respect. We did not go to court. We did not go to court in respect of the matter affecting the cause of chieftaincy. Okay. We were clearly the the Court Act of 1993 clearly tells us issues affecting the cause of chieftaincy. Okay,
1992 Constitution.
No, of course, clearly, and the Court Act is 1993. Okay. All right. So the Court Act is 1993. So it tells us issues affecting the cause of chieftaincy. Okay. It is if issues affecting the cause of chieftaincy. All right. Sebi. Okay. Open so aka sa asem dia. Na ampa to let some Gyafla na Sampa hene. Okay. And here call court no court mu shemu kina. E mo bi agi tum ampa to let some Gyafla na Sampa hene. Enti anamutu na Dormaahene tu no. Na se bi mfutu na na otugu amanfo enim. Oye mranim ni. Oye the friends oye high court judge. And na wadaroma ya titi se mo about appointing to the appeal court judge. Any problem but the person chene say oni no kwema Ghana for. O ma Ghana for mu Sampa we no kwa na we nya no kwa. Oni sa to me na se bi obetimi aka say Sampa ese na se ana bunu ko bi se na se. Oye Dormaahene obi e Sampa hene obi e sekwa hene sekwa se bi omuka kolanwo for kasa omuka kolanwo Sampa kana fana what I say ye wo manyifo wonum ye wo banafo wonum ye wo dibebi fo wonum obia wonu tumi a se bi ote na sase so but you are trying to create an impression that you have an authority in the over
all those states now.
What you say? Okay, you keep on lying to the people but we believe that this is not the truth. What I say, and then yes, we want to tell the people of this country to understand the facts, and then the National House of Chief, to me, a constitution, I say, or no, and I Gazette to let Sampa Gyafla. And so the impression that to let Sampa Gyafla is not having the overwhelming support of the people, we don't want to be indisciplined. Okay. So we will make sure that the right thing is done. Okay. But whatever it is, you will defend the cause and we will defend the cause of Asanteman. As I say, Asanteman to me, and to me, Asanteman, it's not what to say. Okay.
I learned say menim ebinom de kase ese na Sampa Gyafla Sampa mine kra am say ne yonko na Dormaahene eno de yemfa nto nche wo say di enti na Dormaahene ayi mu an say ompene da e ma na Sampa Gyafla Emeka, the Bürning House of Chiefs, one of the National House of Chiefs, with respect to the Gazette.
Without much, with the greater respect, he was doing politics, not politics on oil.
To what end?
To that one. So the point is, the politics that he was doing now Odin tro, and now a man for the do one himself say be now tron and Odi.
Okay.
What you say? Into my man for be who say, oh, and Asantehemaa say, and Asantehemaa say, and Asanteman to me, Asantehemaa to me, and Nesabi, and they are two about. You are drawn Dormaahene and Ghana man opinion. What I say? By the authority. Nobody. He has the executive authority. Okay. But he kept on telling the people, say, Asanteman ACC will be. It is official, Sebi. Asanteman anamutu na watu no Sampa no on tiashena. He can speak to the president. Okay. That indeed, the Asanteman to no kra na nye no kra. Say no kra na nye no kra. They should deal with Asanteman. Okay. But because anamutu Asanteman to no kra no, nobody can deal with him. And he is lying and keep on telling the young ones our Bürning region was say and I'm penny and I'm to me. We need to me be a and I said ya did be odi. No, of course, Sebi. Me who first me who first me. Inti I don't have to fight you that who first me. But say me brem one say e ma Sampa who first me. Of course. And when yam say bia say bi e fata wa e kan no. Me na oh madam for no na ebi so coming. Say me when time come ebi will be coming. That's how you have to be humble and make sure that the right thing is done. But of course, say we over Bomo. Asante Nation has been recognized and Asante Nation has fought battles. What I say. And before say the Ghana be Ghana no na Asanteman wa honum. Of course, all of us decided say you be can one boom. Now you saw Ghana say be. But we are telling people say you won't cano. Some person be say we have an Asante Nation. You will tell them that we have the Asante Nation. Okay. What I say? Enti ena ni esi ya say be Gazette to let some Gyafla. O ma kwesi in fie.
Remember I know the paper no be di.
Oh what that.
You can answer that question we. Ebua ebe told just say Sampa mine has finally been gazetted at the National House of Chiefs. How was the feeling, I mean, the reaction with respect to the royal family? And yeah, this year was.
Of course, you see, it was a great feeling. Okay. And then it was overwhelming. Okay. But of course, it's important that it was out of pain. As I said, time we see, they have burned all our houses. Oh. But of course, the fact that you have burned our houses, the history and the records still remain. Wadaroma, to let some Gyafla, Ninyama, almost shops, but we are not perturbed. Of course, if you are fighting for something that is right for you, this is the way people will attack you.
If you do say
I think more than 2, more than 3, 4, 5. Of course, with cars banned, cars, we have no problem. But we are saying of course, now me know ni yeti anoma sebi yekoba. Now we are interested. We are interested in a particular matter. So clearly, it tells you the people of Sampa who have done that.
AC da be ankasa
Wadaroma AC before omo Gazette to leisure a day AC no ade che no Gazette to leisure Gyafla exactly
dey na course because him say asem dey ho but dey na see sa Bürning ti am omo koye sa dey
well bibian shi probably maybe now if you want to Sampa dey asi no apem and to leisure Gyafla and na say be Sampa Hene enti na ami omo ba say ami o emi o Ghana mra na kasa say Ghana mra kasa na Dormaahene o mra nimni go there and show the document himself the document the National House of Chiefs no cry now no cry. Say no cry now, you have no authority. Okay. So don't lie to the people of this country. Okay. Don't lie.
When you ebra say you dey feel say no. Na ebrebe anga na abobe.
Wadaroma. What say?
Ebrebe no mo shi fie no.
It was in between anopa awia kakra 11 going 11. Oh no, people are around, but of course, they brought they were terrorists. They brought people with guns. Let me tell you something. I am taking this opportunity to tell the national security, that look, the national security where you sit, and now the Inspector General of Police where you sit. Yeah, and I am out to me out to one. We are telling you that you have failing us. Will fail you and say, you about to me out to one more. You should have a constructive notice. Actual knowledge, actual notice. Okay. What I say?
Intelligence.
Yeah. So bit me she was Sampa. And people went there and shot and kill. They shot and kill in our house. They shot and kill. But we are telling the Inspector General they shot and killed my auntie. Oh. And they shot and kill. But we are saying to me, say you open so ama Sampa mahin or to me and now only to me. So new to me, we are telling the president and we are telling people who matter in this country that enough is enough and the Asante nation will defend itself. Asante nation will defend itself. We are not coward, but Ahubrashemu and Asebi. Say this uncle mono. Omo bro mo ase no mo de ani die maye na ne yasi no omo 200 na motu a you respect them, but if they fail you will defend ourselves.
Good. Me hwe senior ya shifi enye no kwa ya botu eni ade ya ejapade bebre na say
Odaroma
police Sampa district capital, that's German of district capital. You police from 24
Odaroma
you there was that security agencies for Omachi obi was asking
Odaroma, you see, and that is why before I asked me, I'm saying it's been so long a time. There are so many cases here I report to the district police command. I said you mudi honum. We expect say open 2 and 2 say fata I no credia. Those people start investigating them. They are the people who are misbehaving. Arrest them, deal with them. Running in the ye ni die be man ho sebi anamutu na otu no bi nya be man no bi o by esan say ye pe ni ye nti esan say ahobrase mu nti na say ye pe say mra na ye adwuma say mra na fi say nya adwuma we are more than powerful and we are capable and we can deal with them, but we expect them to do the right thing. Of course they have not done that and we are daring the inspector general of police that he should do the right thing. Then can say ye den esan say sebi enya ahobrase mu, but ye say ye na etua ne ka bibi koso no he should stand firm. It's not about politics. It's about the fact say why and Sampa mahin. Sanity. The question is it a matter affecting the cause of chieftaincy? And now is it a group of people are or terrorists? Our matu ashakunum or criminals. They should arrest them. They should deal with them. And I'm saying, let me take this opportunity. Akwabi or Sampa, your friend Obama. I'm telling you. Oh no, I'll deal with you. Oh no, I'm coming. I say your respect. I am saying your respect, but I'm saying say oh come on. Or no, and I say, oh, I'm not saying, I'm saying, near Washington, I'm running bedi. Your best is so, and I ever to us. I'm daring, Obama. You will see.
Yeah, my final question. The Bürning regional minister, when they head of the regional security,
and so you are calling on the president to fire the Bürning regional on Pamno. Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, on Pamno, and then he should sack the district chief executive
for Pam,
the Bürning regional house of chief, the friends and the regional minister. The district chief executive in office in Kro.
Oh, okay.
Into office in Kro. No, of course. Near question, who will be a young
doing the bidding
of course. Wadaroma, who will be a said, we are Batampana or Yansania, public servant. But I said, and your public servant in Akumamo. Akuma, I said, Mono, and Wadana D. And now a month for to Asher to let some of the Flaninia Mason. I said, I know, accident. As you move I destroy their properties. Of course, the DC is part of it, the regional minister is part of it. We are telling the president that with all due respect, on fire, we cannot force the president, but we are saying that they are the perpetrators of what is happening there.
But this is too big. What evidence to show?
Oh, come on, I'm saying that he should fire them. I am prepared to defend every word I say. What I say, Sebi, as I say in him, and I him and I transfer Kumon, but we will not allow anybody.
So you are alleging that?
Oh, come on, I say we are not allowing anybody. He's part of it.
Allegedly.
Somebody a lawyer.
I know he was representing.
Somebody a lawyer, but not professionally. Somebody a lawyer. But I'm a professional and dinimo. Mama yaw die essentially Bürning essentially na Dormaahene na di na si wono mama sa ya die no ahye ni mo enti enye adwuma. He is not being professional, and that's what I'm saying. That President Mama should fire him. You should fire him and fire the district executive. And I'm saying the member of parliament, I'm telling you, you call you are part of the problem, and I'll deal with you. The member of parliament of German,
the law will
German of. Oh no, the law will deal with him. I'll deal with him. Of course, the country will deal with him. We are talking about the law.
Okay.
Nobody's coward. And we will ensure the writing is done.
What's the name?
Honorable Ahinkwa Frederick.
Frederick, okay, Frederick.
Me Chanchen is said they are banned. Or your member of parliament. Or Manshi they destroy our property. Your member of parliament. Have you visited our family? Baba Onum. The district executive. Oh, come on. You don't have to come there. You have to come and show the people that indeed one who regional minister Rabana, nobody has come there. We will defend ourselves. No, we have no condemning. Wow. And that is why we say they are part of the problem. And we will defend ourselves.
Okay.
We will defend ourselves. I assure them that we are going to defend them. And they should not run away. They should be there. We will ensure that the right thing is done. We are not coward. And we are never going to be coward. And nobody can. and no political authority in this country, whether MPP or DC.
Okay.
You are saying, say, I decision
okay.
It has nothing to do with politics. Okay. And anybody who are behind politics to misbehave, you deal with them. You deal with them. We are telling the regional minister, we are telling government that with all due respect, with all due respect, we are not running away from anything. We are saying that we should do the right thing.
Okay.
We cannot we can now long accept what is going on.
Okay.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. And the right thing should be done.
That's it.
Wadaruma.
Tiye you nka say we dey brand here e Sampa. Ya Sampa nsem no e we dey nsem kakra atoja. Abusu ya mpanyin say ekwan no e wase de ya ebewie e we abobo. Ha na be ma ekwan e djumadi ni na esie. Me di e dey company usukai. Say Better Grace Financial Services and the insurance company papa ya de hobo mo be pebia ma insurance company na financial company papa ma obetimi no mo di djuma abebia na otumpon abebia awie ti Ghana ni awa America na say wo Canada fa number no na fresh sanso e na obi trading enterprise wo kuma South Interest Junction omo so men kan say atade mpabo perfume bia is okọ na bibia ekoye difa obi trading enterprise number na etwagu e o screen na kwaji bibia be koye di ama busia bi di de kwafna usu Bürning mafa be pam ye be hia nyame kan ho makra bye bye.